Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to upload multiple files in Monday.com, your complete guide for 2025. Let's get started. First off, log into your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where you want to upload your files. The reason we start here is because each board in Monday.com functions as a separate workspace, so it's important to choose the right one. Once you're in the correct board, locate the New Item button at the top of your screen. Clicking this will open a new item where you can attach your files. This helps us because each item in Monday.com acts like a container for related content, including files, updates, and comments. Now, let's add some files. Look for the Updates section on your new item and click on the paperclip icon. This opens a drop-down menu where you can select File to upload from your computer. You might be wondering, why do we use the Updates section? Well, this section acts like a timeline for your item, so when you add a file here, you and your team can easily see when it was added and find it later. Now that we've done that, a new window will open where you can select multiple files to upload. Simply hold down Control on your keyboard and click each file you want to add. If you're using a Mac, you'll hold down Command instead. This is a quick and easy way to select multiple files at once from your computer. Once you've selected your files, click Open to start the upload. Monday.com will upload all your files together, so you don't have to repeat the process for each one. This saves us valuable time and keeps all our files neatly organized in one place. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded multiple files to an item in Monday.com. Remember, these files are now easily accessible to you and your team right from this item. And with that, we wrap up today's tutorial on how to upload multiple files in Monday.com. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, Monday.com is here to make your work easier and more organized. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.